Introducing the HP Indigo 10,000 digital press with all the benefits and quality you've come to expect from Indigo. The Indigo 10,000 is 2.5 times more productive than any digital sheet-fed press on the market. A breakthrough in digital print technology with laser imaging and printing on a 75cm 29-inch sheet. Experience high productivity with an output of 4,600 sheets per hour, over 2 million sheets a month. Imagine the possibilities. This groundbreaking press fits easily into existing offset environments. Non-stop printing is possible with the unique pallet feeder, complete with a laser guidance system. Use the same inventory of pallets for offset and digital. 2 additional drawer feeders allow for quick substrate changes or multi-substrate jobs. The photo imaging plate and blanket are changed by automated systems, increasing press uptime and reducing operator error. The paper stacker supports 85 centimeters, 33.5 inches of media, and has a removable tray and a proof tray. The touchscreen now offers easy-to-use 3D navigation. The scalable HP SmartStream print server provides powerful end-to-end workflow solutions. Version 5 has been adapted for the new 75cm 29-inch sheet requirements. The ink ecosystem was redesigned to increase productivity and efficiency and has up to 7 ink stations for the extended color gamut. Ink cartridges are larger, allowing operators to replace ink cartridges less frequently. Match over 97% of Pantone colors by using HP Indichrome and certified Pantone emulations. The Vision system performs automatic, hands-free press calibrations and diagnostics with high accuracy, saving time and diminishing errors. Registration cameras maintain tight registration. An embedded spectrophotometer keeps the press perfectly color calibrated at all times. This press is a key production tool for every commercial PSP with high print volumes regardless of the application. General commercial printers, photo specialty, direct mail, publishing, and point of purchase. The HP Indigo 10,000 digital press has a robust design that's ready for high volumes. Print any commercial application fast and easy with proven Indigo quality. Produce all job types and sizes with a wide range of substrates. Output 4,600 sheets per hour, over 2 million sheets a month on a 75cm 29-inch sheet. Imagine the possibilities.